Right now, your terminal could be running a version of Claude Code that's missing hooks, skills, or an entire model your teammates already have access to, and the tool will never tell you that on its own. Watch this. Running Claude Update just pulled a version with features that weren't there 5 minutes ago. No reinstall, no configuration wiped. This works because Claude Code ships new releases constantly, and depending on how you originally installed it, that update either happens invisibly in the background or never happens at all until you force it. Before we fix that, like this video, comment which install method you're using so I know what to cover next, and subscribe so you catch it when Anthropic changes this process again, because they've already changed it more than once this year. Let's actually fix your setup. The first thing to understand is that there is no single update command that works the same way for everyone, because Claude Code supports several install paths, and each one behaves differently. Run Claude Doctor first, before anything else, because it tells you exactly how your copy was installed and what state your last update attempt left it in. Run Claude -- version right after that to see what you're actually running right now, so you have a before and after to compare once you're done. If you installed through the native installer, the one from the curl command on Anthropic's install page, updates happen automatically in the background while you work, and the new version takes effect the next time you restart the tool. If you don't want to wait for that background cycle, force it immediately with Claude Update, and you'll see either a line reporting a successful update from your old version to the new one, or a message saying you're already on the newest release. If you installed through npm, this is where almost everyone gets it wrong, so listen closely. The instinctive command is npm update-g add anthropic-ai/claude code, and it often just silently does nothing useful. The command that actually works is npm install-g add anthropic-ai/claude code at latest, explicitly pinning the latest tag because update alone frequently fails to pull the newest published version through npm's own resolution behavior. If you install through Homebrew, neither of those commands apply at all. Homebrew does not auto-update Claude Code by default. You upgrade the cast directly with brew upgrade Claude Code, or brew upgrade Claude Code at latest if that's the specific cask you originally installed. On Windows through winget, the equivalent command is winget upgrade anthropic.claude code, and again, nothing updates automatically until you run that yourself. Now, once you're updating correctly, there's a setting that controls which version stream you're even pulling from, and almost nobody touches it until something breaks. Open /config inside Claude Code, or edit your settings.json file directly, and look for Auto Updates channel. Setting it to latest means you get every release the moment it ships, including the rough ones. Setting it to stable holds you back roughly a week and filters out releases that Anthropic flags as having major regressions, which is the safer choice if you're running this inside a team workflow where a broken release mid-task actually costs you time. Here's the mistake that's currently tripping up a lot of people who think they've already solved this, and it's worth waiting for. There's a known, currently open bug where the update command ignores your auto updates channel entirely. Set your channel to latest, and in some cases, Claude Update will still explicitly check the stable channel behind the scenes and report that you're up to date when a newer latest release actually exists. There's a second, opposite version of the same bug, where the background auto-updater on a native install actively downgrades you from latest back to stable, overriding the newer binary you already had, even after you delete it manually, because the updater just refetches the old one from the network. If your settings say latest, but Claude Doctor keeps showing you a version number that doesn't match what you expect, don't assume you're misreading it. This is a documented inconsistency, and the workaround right now is to manually verify the actual binary version against Anthropic's published release list, rather than trusting the channel label blindly. There's one more failure mode worth knowing before you close this out, and it's the quiet one. If you installed globally through npm and your npm global directory isn't writable by your user account, Claude Code can't auto-update at all. And instead of an obvious error, you just get a one-time notice at startup that's easy to miss if you're not watching for it. That's exactly what Claude Doctor is for. It doesn't just show your version. It lists the specific fix for whatever is blocking your update, whether that's a permissions issue, a stale symlink, or a channel mismatch. Make Claude Doctor a habit before every update, not just something you run when things already feel broken, and you'll catch these silent failures before they cost you a missing feature mid-project. I test new AI deals every week. If a new free method comes out, you'll see it here first. In the next video, I'm digging into exactly how team and enterprise accounts can lock every developer to the same pinned version using minimum version, so nobody on your team is ever debugging a bug that's already been fixed somewhere else on the team.